how to convert video to GIF. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here. And then once we open our browser, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on our search bar and then search for easygif.com. After that, just click enter. Once you do that, you will be redirected into this website. Now, what we're going to do is to just click video to GIF, which is right here. So click that. And then once you're now here, you will now be able to see this part. So all you have to do is to just choose the file or the video that you want to convert into GIF by clicking choose file right here, and then look for the video file that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So I'm going to click this. And then once it is uploaded, the next thing that we need to do is to go here and click upload video. And then after that, make sure that you select to GIF right here and then just scroll down once again. And then in this part, if you want to edit the start time and then the end time, it's up to you. Same goes for the size, the frame rate, and then of course the method. After that, all you have to do is to click convert to GIF. And then once it is done, all you have to do is to click the save button right here. And then just click the save button once again. And then after that, if we click the open file, we will now be able to see that this has been now converted into a GIF file. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to convert video to GIF.